my new hair dryer. Let's check it out. Okay, this is a diffuser attachment. Looks really nice. Let's get this off of here. Oh, the attachments are magnetic. That's really cool. This one's for straightening. Another one for straightening. That's interesting. Okay, let's try it out. I am really excited to see how this does because I have really thick, naturally curly hair. So this will be good when I want to do my hair curly, this diffuser. But today I want to straighten my hair, so I'm going to use this attachment. Here we go. This is working really good. Okay, I'm curious about this. This says it tames flyaways. I'm just gonna. Okay, hair's all done. I am really impressed with this blow dryer. My hair is typically really frizzy, like I said, after blow drying it. So my honest review of this is this was the fastest and the smoothest and less frizzy my hair has ever been after using a blow dryer. So this is, yeah, one of the best ones I've ever used. 2 thumbs up.